Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to watch my latest videos, and this is totally free. Hello guys, welcome to Ambrosia the Divine Food. In this video, I will show you how to prepare Shahi Tukra at home easily. It is very easy to make, delicious and instant recipe. So let's get started. To start with, first prepare the kheer. For that, add 1 cup of full cream milk in a pan. And then add 1 whole can of condensed milk, that is 200 grams. Give a good mix and let it come to boil. Once it starts boiling, mix 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of milk and mix thoroughly. Now add this mixture into the pan. Since this is an instant recipe, the cornflour mixture will help in thickening of the milk quickly. Now add 1 teaspoon of saffron water or saffron strand into it and mix. Stir continuously to avoid burning from the bottom. Once it reaches this thick consistency, switch off the flame and let it cool down a little. Now prepare a sugar syrup. For that, add 1 cup of sugar in a pan and add half cup of water. Give a mix and let it boil. Now add 1 teaspoon of saffron brewed water or rose water or cardamom powder for some flavor. Once it reaches a light sticky consistency, switch off the flame and keep it aside. Now prepare the breads. Heat some ghee or oil in a pan and add the bread pieces in the pan. I have cut the breads into triangles. I am deep frying the breads, but if you wish, you can shallow fry them. Now add the bread pieces and fry them until it becomes crispy and turns golden brown. It would take few seconds. Now take them out in a kitchen towel so that it can absorb all the excess oil. Fry the other bread pieces accordingly. Now assemble the Shahi Tukra. First dip the fried bread pieces in the sugar syrup. I am dipping it just for a fraction of a second because I want it to remain crispy. If you like to have soft and gooey Shahi Tukra, then dip the breads for a minute. Now take some kheer and spread it over the breads. Finally, garnish the Shahi Tukras with some shredded almonds. That's it. The yummy and delicious Shahi Tukras are ready to be served. Have this awesome delicacy this weekend and enjoy with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. See you soon. Happy eating.